Hello people and welcome back to Caught on Dashcam channel, a channel that brings you only the latest and craziest road moments caught on driver's dashcam. This episode is going to be full of crazy encounters and you might want to grab your snack before we start with it. All the clips used in this video are for educational purposes and hopefully you'll learn something out of them. Without any further delay, let's jump right into today's episode. In our first video, we have a crazy driver who was speeding down the turn lane. The driver wanted to argue with the camera as well but soon gave up when he noticed the dashcam. Camer caught a crazy road rage situation on his dashcam. Road rage rips a door on the SUV and the SUV driver retaliated with a direct hit to the back of his vehicle, dragging it across the road.
Oops.
We've said a million times already, be careful while driving on the road covered with the snow. You can't be speeding like that. Unfortunately, a lot of drivers think they're better than they actually are.
Been bringing the science world today for us. What's going on?
I learned about something reading some science news that I didn't know existed, and I thought I'd talk to you guys about it.
This here, ladies and gentlemen, is how you're definitely not supposed to make a left turn. Take notes and learn from this mistake.
Just wanted to pay a toll. But why is that going in here? Turn.
Hindi nila naintindihan ang Medicaid at saka Medicare para lang yun sa
May edad na.
60 or 65 above
Yeah,
o ano ba?
correct.
Sabi niya, no, this is not scam. Ay, naano ako, sabi ko, uy,
Oh my gosh!
eh,
Tangan yun! Oh my gosh!
oh my gosh.
Buti na lang yan.
May buti na lang, mami,
Mali yung ginawa niyang yun.
tanga-tanga talaga. Ay, oh my gosh!
Truck driver came from a closed road and unfortunately for him, a cop passed by and saw him exiting there. Instant karma delivered on the spot. With this clip we conclude another epic and entertaining episode on Caught on Dashcam channel. I hope you guys enjoy watching and perhaps learning a thing or two on how to properly behave in the traffic. After all, why not learn on the mistakes of others if you have opportunity to do it? Make sure to leave a like because it helps this channel grow. Until the next episode, drive safe and take care.